Naghahanap ng ibang Asian music ang Grammys. Kaya naman ito ay dagdag sa kanilang kategorya o nomination, ang Best Asian Pop Music Performance. May bagong update ang Grammys sa kanilang Facebook account, just 5 hours, kung saan, heto nga, binandera nila na may dagdag na nomination sa kanila. 5 nomination at kategory. Ang number 1, Best Asian Pop Music Performance. At andyan na po ang mga mechanics kung paano makasali at maka-join ang isang artist o singer na mula sa Asian country. Sa first category na dagdag ng The Grammys ay pasok dyan ang SB19. Pwede mag-apply. Kaya naman, sali na tayong 18 at 1Z Entertainment ating kalampagin na dapat mag-join at mag-submit ng entry. Tayo na 18, tayo'y mag-ingay at mag-tag kalampagin ang Grammys. Sabi naman ng mga ilang Asian fans, sana hindi nakasali dito ang Blackpink, BTS at Cat's Eye. Give chance to others naman. Dapat ibang pop naman. Like Japan pop, China pop, Filipino pop, of course, Thailand pop, Vietnam pop, Indo pop, Malaysian pop, at iba pa. Dahil kung nagkataon at mabigyan ng chance ang ibang pop, may chance talaga na maging nominated at makatuntong sa Grammys ang SB19 at ilang P-pop artists sa Pilipinas. At syempre, makapag-perform sa stage ng The Grammys ang SB19. Looking forward tayo dyan. Let's pray for that. Let's claim. Samantala, chinek natin ang comment section ng panibagong post ng The Grammy just 5 hours. Mayroong mga ilang nagkomento, SB19, SB19, at iba, may isang girl group na Pinoy. Sana nga magkaroon ng chance at opportunity ang ating The King of P-pop na makapag-perform at ma-share ang talent hindi lang sa mga Pilipino, kundi sa buong Amerika at buong mundo.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught